get a heel. Pimpin' the bitch out in Beverly Hills. Walk out and activist, I found the passion for my brother sipping tequila like Salvador. Double down on cause that's what you asking for.
Hi baddies, welcome back to another video. It's KILOKI here and I am back. So as you can tell by the title, today we are going to achieve a genie ponytail, bubble ponytail, whatever you guys like to call it, and I am going to be using the drawstring ponytail method. Super easy, super affordable and quick hairstyle for the week. So what I'm doing now is I have started with freshly washed hair, clean hair, added some moisturizer, and now I'm just going to painfully detangle my hair because I am going to pick up my hair dryer and I am going to blow dry my hair, not straight, but straight enough to where when I mold my hair down, my mold will be very slick and clean. So the method that I use is I just take my blow dryer and I slowly drag it down and then I go over it once more just to get any kinks or anything like that out. And then I'm just going to do that to all of the sections of my hair. So I parted, since I'm doing the middle part, I parted the front section of my hair into two, and I just left the back section. And now I'm just, again, blow drying my hair out. Y'all, I don't know why my hair is green, but I guess when I dyed my hair back black, the red and the black, I don't know. I gotta get rid of that because it is not cute, honey. But all I'm doing is blow drying my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like in the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry the back for you guys. So now that everything is blow dried, I am just going to go ahead and get my middle part together. So I'm creating that middle part in my hair. I am also doing two bangs in the front. So I am going to go ahead and carve out where I want my bangs to be. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just picking the size of the bang and how I just want the bang to fall in my face. So I went ahead and grabbed a bigger piece, and I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side of my hair. Mold down my hair, I'm taking my Edge Effect and my Tigi bedhead spray, and I'm just going to go ahead and take a hard brush, and I'm going to brush my back section into place. And as I brush, I'm going to go ahead and pick up some of that Edge Effect, and I'm going to place that all around the perimeter of the back section, and then I'm going to brush it into place to make sure everything is slick and everything is nice and molded. Another good way to mold down your hair is with the Murray's Edge wax. I didn't have any at the time, so I just picked up some Edge Effect, and I like it. You just have to know how to maneuver it, but nothing was wrong with using this method. So I'm just brushing that edge control into my back section, and once everything is together, I'm going to take my hairspray and I'm going to brush that into, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that in a ponytail so we can start securing the front section of our head. So I am just taking out my edges because I will be gelling my edges down in a style of doing my baby hairs, as they say. And I'm just taking that edge effect, and I am just going to go ahead and mold down one side of my hair. I like to do it one at a time so everything can be nice and neat. And I'm just gonna comb my edges into place. Like I said, I really do like this edge control for my edges. This edge control is really good, and like I said, I didn't have too many problems with molding it into a ponytail. So again, this is the edge effects. I got this at my local beauty supply store. And now I'm just molding my hair into place like I did the back section, and I will be spraying my bedhead spray on it when I feel like everything is molded and everything is neat. And we're just gonna put that in a rubber band. So I'm gonna just let you guys keep watching the video, and I'm going to come back. So finally, everything is molded. I'm going to take my edge wraps that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I am just going to put that all around my edges and on the top portion of my hair so it can mold down. And for my ponytail, I'm using the Model Equal Drawstring Ponytail. It is Yaki Straight 24 inches. And I am going to use this for my ponytail. So that is what it looks like. You just clip that on to your head. There's 2 wig clips and you just clip it. Now, this method doesn't necessarily work the greatest, so you want to secure it either by sewing it around if this is a long-term hairstyle for maybe like 2 weeks, or you can just pin it down with bobby pins. I pin mine down with bobby pins because y'all know I can't keep a hairstyle for I don't know how long. So I'm just going to take the drawstring and I'm going to tighten it around the ponytail, and then I'm going to wrap the drawstring around the ponytail to conceal it. Took some hair from the back of the ponytail, sprayed my bedhead spray on it, and I'm just going to wrap that around the entire ponytail so it can become an invisible ponytail and overall just look nicer, neater, and professional. Here comes the bubble effect. So I'm just taking some rubber bands. I took some pink rubber bands because you know me. You already know. You know a bad bitch is dripped in pink all the time. So I had to be different and put my pink rubber bands in it. I believe I put about 5 rubber bands around the ponytail, and you're just gonna wrap the rubber bands around the ponytail until you get to the end. And as I went down, I went ahead and spread it out my bubbles so it can have that bubble effect. Now these rubber bands were cheap and they were popping, honey, so the black rubber bands are gonna do you well. These rubber bands would too, but they are cheap, they're thin, so they do pop. So I would recommend just using the black ones for a long-term hairstyle, but I do my own hair, so I don't have a problem with redoing the bubbles, but that's besides the point. So I'm just taking the rubber bands and just going down the ponytail until I can't go down the ponytail no more. So now we've gotten to the end of the ponytail. I'm gonna just go ahead and cut them edge wraps off of my edges. And this is what my mold is looking like. I am so in love with my edges. Like, yes, I did it. I did it. I'm getting better at them, y'all. So for my 2 bangs in the front, I just cut a track off, some tracks that I had left behind in my hair drawer, and I just measured that to the size of my bang, and I just added some hair glue and just threw them tracks in there for a little bit of length. Of course, next you're going to flat iron it to blend it, and I put a little curl in it, you know, a little piglet ring, because I just got to be different and just be extra. But of course you're just going to flat iron it so you can blend it. Y'all know me, y'all know I had to do the most, so I added in some barrettes, some hair clips that I got from my local beauty supply store as well, and I just added that to my hair to give it some flair, some cuteness, you know, just to add a little razzle dazzle to my hair. Y'all know me, y'all know me. But we have come to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I would really much appreciate it. If you like videos like this, make sure you comment down below, and I will see you baddies in the next video.